Si Yasay was taken out allegedly for lying about his citizenship. I don't know what happened, but kami ni Yasay are roommates. But sometime pag declare of martial law, nawala na siya. Silang dalawa ni Maceda because they were in the list of wanted. Ginapangita sa police. The next thing I knew, the surface sa Amerika na maybe basig dito gitagaan sila temporary asylum. And of course, a travel document para makatravel po sila to other parts of the world. But they were avoiding Philippines because they were wanted here. After the martial law years, they came back. I don't know really what happened along the way. But definitely I can say that Yasay was there, not of his own choice, to live in America, but rather they were seeking asylum.